Hello guys! Welcome to our new vlog. Miss Duck is here. Our video is in the lake. Tinaw kaayo nga tubig guys. See? Nami diri sa mountain. Nag-fishing me guys. Clear kayong water. Fresh air. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy watching. Bye bye. See you on my next vlog.